Hello everyone, this is a commercial.
Ladies and gentlemen, I have an announcement to make.
So we're going to give people the product today. I'm going to take you along for the journey.
That's really cool.
Wow, very cool.
It's pretty cool.
Here with Jose from Filed, who's going to show us Filed's 3.0 release.
And will it point out what it changed from what the client provided?
Exactly, and it will also give you the reference. You can click on the reference and it will take you there so you can also view the original source.
Wow, I could have used that on the return I just delivered.
It even calls out an 8606.
8606.
Yeah,
That's really cool.
So much of our time was just identifying missing information. So having that the second we get the documents is very helpful.
Yep.
Okay, so we have a sample business client.
And this is all built into Excel.
Correct.
If I just said generate an adjusted trial balance.
You're hoping, like your heart is like beating right now. Like,
Hey, William, you're fired.
guys hiring? Yeah.
You can have our AI generate reports or whatever ledgers you want for this specific client.
Wow.
You can save it to the client, and then you can actually reference those back in the tool.
Okay, wow,
Yeah.
very cool. It brings aspects to the process that we don't have in place now and that really didn't exist just with our tax program. So I'm excited to fill the gaps and to take out some of the manual operation as well.
So it's going to give you a checklist also of things that it thinks needs human intervention. Okay. So it'll say, hey, flag this for CPA review.
Can I hire you back?